Ocular signs. Normal pupil size in adult is 2 to 4 millimeter in diameter in bright light, 4 to 8 millimeter in the dark. Meiosis, constriction of the pupil less than 2 millimeter in diameter. Mechanism is central opium, peripheral opium. Table 19, 20, 21. Okay. Table 19. Okay. Table 19. Poison causing meiosis, pupillary constriction. Ebrus precatorius, acetone, alcoholic coma, antipsychotic, haloperidol, phenothiazine, chlorpromazine, cyprasidone, barbiturate, benzodiazepine, bromide, caffeine, carbamate, carbolic acid, phenol, chloral hydrate, chlorphenoxib herbicide, clonidine, methyl dopa, muscarinic mushroom, nicotine, opium, latent narcotic, latent withdrawal, OP insecticide, parasympathomimetic, phencyclidine may cause both meiosis and mydriasis, phenothiazine. Poison causing mydriasis, pupillary dilation, acetyl salicylic acid, alcohol, but constricted in alcoholic coma, amphetamine, anticholinergic, atropine, pupil does not respond to light, antihistamine, chloroform, dilate initially followed by contraction, carbon monoxide, nystagmus also, cocaine, pupil constricted to light, curare, cyanide, datura, atropine, ephedrine, formic acid, LSD, methanol, opioid withdrawal, organochlorine, paraldehyde, phencyclidine, both may cause both meiosis and mydriasis. Scorpion, sympathomimetic, tricyclic antidepressant, viper bite. Poison causing nystagmus, horizontal, most common is alcohol, barbiturate, carbamazepine, mydriasis, lithium, monoamino oxidase inhibitor, meprobamate, phencyclidine, phenytoin, primidone, quinine, sedative hypnotic solvent, vertical phencyclidine, phenytoin, sedative hypnotic, rotatory phencyclidine, phenytoin, sedative hypnotic. Thank you.